Hello, I'm Dr. Stephen Lamb. You may already know me as author of The Hardness Factor and medical correspondent for the Emmy Award-winning television show, The View. But you should know that I'm also a faculty member at NYU Medical Center, a practicing clinician with a private practice in New York City, and an avid researcher in preventive medicine. Throughout my career as a doctor, researcher, and author, I've always had a strong interest in men's sexual health. I'm constantly investigating new solutions and supplements that I can share with my patients to help improve the quality of their sex lives as they age. And that is why when I found VigRx Plus, I was pleasantly surprised. The makers of VigRx Plus have taken some of the most powerful natural ingredients proven to enhance men's sexual performance, and through careful scientific research and process, developed a formula that will undoubtedly produce incredible results when used as directed. Prescription medication is reserved for men with more advanced erectile difficulties. That is truly the real advantage of using VigRx Plus. You can finally be confident knowing you're using the right combination of natural ingredients that will preserve, maintain, and enhance your libido in both the short and long term. As a doctor, I am very critical of many of the natural sexual enhancement products available today, but I would wholeheartedly recommend VigRx to any man who's looking to improve his sexual performance and erection quality.